Hi friends, now we are seeing this tech channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to install Filmora in Windows 10 7 8.1 full version. So let's get started. So guys, you need these two files. I will give you links in description. You can check it out. And then this is the setup file of Filmora for 32-bit. So let's get started. Double click on that and click S. Install. So it will be installed, guys. So friends, I have downloaded the Filmora. So now we have to open this. You can see start now. Click on that. It will start this. You can see friends, it starting Filmora version 7.8.9. So you can see friends, here it is asking easy mode, full feature mode. We'll choose full feature mode. Full feature mode. So you can see friends, we have got the Filmora. It is not a full version friends. Now unregistered, you can see here unregistered. I will show you how to get full version now. So click on register. Then once go back, here you can see I will give you link in description, Filmora crack test. Open that and copy this license email, copy and paste here guys, license email, Ctrl plus yes. Then registration code, copy and paste. Then click on register. So it will be registered guys. Okay, you can see Wondershare Filmora has been registered. So you can get all the features guys in this Filmora by registering.